Hey, it's Scott here coming to you with a daily income method review setup and a little training on how things work. But first, before I do anything, I want to make sure you smash the subscribe, hit the bell, like this video, and in the description, you're going to see, well, hold on, I'll wait till the end to tell you because it's very valuable. That's going to help you fast track your income and your instant $200 commissions that the daily income method provides you. All right, and we've paid. Just so you know, we're no joke. We're no joke. We paid out 1.3 million in commissions to members already. Someone just made a commission 15 minutes ago. So as you can see, it works. So now this is your dashboard, folks. This is your dashboard. I'm going to go over it right quick, and that's it. So this is someone who said they paid, but they didn't. So I marked it not paid. So if they do pay, I'm going to hit confirm receive. This is where when someone pays you a $200 instant commission, you're going to come here and confirm it. All right. Otherwise, they won't have access. And then you could see you can revoke access if for some reason you had to, because the system allows you to do that. But this is where all your paid members will be. Over here, you can see the earnings, your earnings, how direct pay works. It tells you everything right there. And once you're done looking at the dashboard, we're gonna go start setting up your system. The system setup's over here. You can hit this or you can hit this. All right, this is one of the most important ones. Everything has video step by step because this is beginner friendly. And just so you know, what are we doing here? All we're doing is posting done for you videos, which I'll show you at the end. We're posting done for you videos, and that's it, without showing our face 1 to 3 times a day. So that's what we're doing. But we need to know how to get paid. That's very, 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 very important. So this is Mac. He's going to take you through everything. So right here, this is if you had a Stripe, PayPal, which I use a PayPal merchant account, Square, or if you have a regular merchant account, if you've been experienced in this before. PayPal, your email for PayPal, Cash App, very important, Venmo, Zelle, Apple Cash. I don't have Apple Cash. I do. I just don't use it. But all you would do is put your Apple Cash phone or email in there. Chime I use. Wise is good for international, as is the credit card, and crypto. And once you're done, all you're going to do is save your payment methods, and that's it. Once you save them, press that, you can go save and continue. Excuse me. This is probably most important thing here besides the payments. Okay, this is what you call your lead capture system. This is where you're gonna capture your leads. Okay, so what this does, and I do have you can collect your own leads. I have the resources for you. I can direct you, tell you what autoresponder I'm using. You can set it up the same way I have it because I have the follow-up emails for Daily Income Method that you copy paste. Just put your link in your name in the signature, and you have a follow-up email sequence. I keep adding to it. It's up to 14 days right now. I keep adding because this is such a new system. I'm adding as I go. All right. So once you set all that up, you're gonna come over. You're gonna see over here, you're completed. Right. You're gonna see you're completed, and you can hit grab affiliate links. Now you're going to watch this because Matt goes over how to use affiliate links, but you have our landing page. We have the ATM hook. We have the want $200 hook while you're sleeping lander. 1 minute quiz. This is a good one. And now we have testimonial. Roger's testimonial. Nick, Dan, Daniel, Chu, Nathan, Richard, Alfonso, Anja, Troy, Carlos made $9,000 in 3 weeks. A group of member testimonials and a page. So if someone said, "Hey, I went through it. I just don't know where that link is," you can send them this link and they can check out right away. Send your instant $200. All right. So you can create tracking and all that here, but this is all explained in this video right here, okay? So you want to watch everything's video step by step. So if you didn't want to do the faceless videos or any other the free versions of how to market this on social media, you can go to buy traffic. You want to create a Udemy account. It's free to create the Udemy account. But what I like about Udemy is you're going to be able to, what do you call that? You're going to be able to pick who you get traffic from. You're going to be able to see live reviews, how many sales people got, how many leads they got, and all that, and they're rated, and there's comments, so you can choose. So that's great, and the prices range differently. So they have deals, they have they have promotions, so that's very good to know. And then that's pretty much it on the setup, folks. And then excuse me, and most importantly, you wanna, when you set up these your traffic, the link, you want to send your traffic to your lead capture system, okay? So you got to make sure you have this set up, okay? You want to make sure you send it to your lead capture system. All right? So, all right, folks, don't forget to subscribe, smash the bell, and remember I said before there's something in the description? It's my private chat group, okay? It's my private chat group that you're able to chat with the group members. They may not be in this, but you can also personally contact me if you have any questions after reviewing all this, folks. So I look forward to connecting with all of you. Hope you're having a great day, and any questions, join that group below. I'll talk to you soon. Bye for now.